In this tutorial, we will continue solving exercises about proportion and specifically about the comparative costs. So, we're going to start off with this example. A 100-gram jar of Brazilian coffee costs 4.5 pounds, and a 250-gram jar of the same coffee costs 12 pounds, which is the best buy. So basically, the same company producing the same coffee in two different sizes. One is 100 grams and the other is 250 grams. So we need to know which one is the best buy. First, we're going to have to calculate the cost of 1 gram. Since we know that 100 grams is 4.50 pounds, then 1 gram is equal to X. And X is the price of 1 gram. We can calculate X through cross multiplication, and it's going to be X times 100 equal to 4.50 times 1. Divide both sides by 100 so that the X would be isolated. So X is equal to 404.50 over 100, which is 0.045 pounds. So this is the price of 1 gram of Brazilian coffee in the first buy. We're going to do the same thing for the second one. 250 grams is 12 pounds and 1 gram is Y. Y times 250 is equal to 12 times 1. Divide both sides of the equal by 250 so that the Y would be isolated, and Y is equal to 0.048 pounds. So let's go ahead and compare X and Y. X is 0.045 while Y is 0.048 pounds. So basically X is our best buy since it costs less per gram.